Okay, so I'm having a little bit of an issue. My microphone is recording my speaker sound, and I've looked on the internet and I found all the solutions: disabling stereo mix, enabling stereo mix, muting stereo mix. None of them seem to work. And I don't know what's wrong because even if I disable my speakers and I can't hear anything through my actual headphones, it still gets picked up. So I imagine it has to do with an internal issue, maybe the sound card, but I'm using a SteelSeries 9H, which comes with its own sound card. So I'm still a little stumped. So if anybody could help me out, that'd be great. First, I'll show you that my microphone picks up the music. As you can see, my microphone is set to my SteelSeries S2 USB headset, and my audio is the same exact thing. So let's play the music. As you see, my microphone's picking up the music, and this is a problem because in Skype, all my friends and everybody can hear my music playing, and I need that to stop. Even in Mumble, it picks it up, and even when they talk in Skype, their voice gets picked up on my microphone, and then it starts to echo. I don't know what's going on, but if anybody could help, that would be great. I'll show you my settings. So we got my regular speakers, Realtek HD audio, which I don't use. And then I got my SteelSeries speakers, my rear panel mic, and use a stereo mix, and here's the microphone for the SteelSeries. My rear panel is just not plugged in. My stereo mix is currently on mute, so I'll unmute that and play the music again. Send away for a priceless gift. Still hear the music here, and you can see that it's getting picked up by my microphone. So let's disable stereo mix now, and because that's what a lot of the forums say, disable stereo mix and you're fine. So now let's play the music again. Perfect world, one not simply so absurd in this time. And once again, my music is still getting picked up by my microphone. And if anybody could help me, that would be really appreciated. Thank you.